Ready for a student journeying like no other? Welcome to Lincoln, New York Student Accommodation. Featuring a variety of 1-, 4-, and 6-bedroom apartments, this extraordinary property is not just a place to stay. It's your perfect haven to thrive as a student. Step into an all-inclusive, fully furnished shared suite, complete with a comfy bed, a high-end kitchen, and plenty of space to connect with roommates or just unwind on your own. Beyond your bedroom door, discover a vibrant community lounge with free Wi-Fi, convenient on-site laundry, and a fun-packed events calendar designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Plus, with cleaning services and all-inclusive bills, you'll have more time to focus on what truly matters. And here's the best part, you're right in the heart of it all. Surrounded by major universities, including Brooklyn College, Brooklyn Law School, and the prestigious New York University. Plus, you also have plenty of options for dining in or takeout, including cozy bowls of ramen from Mo's Original and delicious empanadas from Empanada City, all within a short walk. Also, you're only a short stroll away from Sterling Street Subway Station and Prospect Park Subway Station. So, no more ado. Choose to experience the perfect blend of academia, culture, and excitement right here with amberstudent.com.